Hiya! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a really simple art ornament for your Christmas tree. So this is super simple, really basic and quite cheap as well. So I've got all my things from Poundland. You can get these little tiny canvases and these little easels, both 50p each, so you can actually get loads of them and they won't actually cost that much. So first of all, obviously you take it out of the wrapper, the canvas, and we're simply just going to paint it and stick it all together. So this was actually inspired by a canvas decoration I saw in Hobbycraft, but that was just a plastic one and actually didn't have anything on the canvas. It just looked like canvas that you could put on your tree. So I thought I'd make my own. So basically I'm just going to paint a robin onto the mini canvas. You can paint any sort of Christmassy scene or whatever you want on these, so you can personalise them, make them as gifts, and they look really nice on your tree. So this is what I came up with. Then I'm taking the mini easel and I'm just going to make a hole in the top of it. This is one of those like hand drill things where you just press down and twist. I think I got it from eBay for a couple of quid, but it comes in handy for quite a few projects. Alternatively, you can actually just glue a hoop of thread onto the back of this. You don't actually have to tie it on like I am doing. So I've taken some metallic-y thread, folded it in half, put the end that I've folded in half through the hole, so there's a little loop, pop the other end through the loop, and this is now attached. Now I just put a knot in the other end, and then that creates the loop to hang on the tree. Like I say, you can just stick some thread on the back, but no, my luck, that'd fall off. That's why I like to make the hole and attach it that way. So then you just have to glue the canvas onto the easel. I'm just using hot glue because it just dries so quickly. As you probably know, I'm impatient. Hate waiting for things to dry. And that's literally it, it's done. So you can create so many of these really quickly, and like I say, just paint whatever you like on them, make them unique. So thanks for watching. If you make any, I'd love to see your versions of this, so send me a picture on Twitter or Instagram. Handles are in the bottom. So thanks for watching, bye.